Confidence is not something you find. It's not hiding behind a corner waiting for you to feel ready. In fact, most of us are stuck in the confidence paradox. You're waiting to feel confident enough to start, but the only way to get confidence is by starting. It's a paralyzing loop. The solution is to stop thinking about confidence as a feeling and start seeing it as a flywheel. It's heavy and hard to move at first, but once it starts spinning, it generates its own unstoppable momentum. Today, I'm giving you the 4 pushes to get it spinning. The first push is a provable action. This is the hardest part, so we have to make it laughably small. The goal isn't the result. It's simply to prove that you can make the flywheel move. So don't go for a run. Your action is to put on your running shoes. Don't write your novel. Your action is to open the document and write 1 sentence. This is that first, difficult, shaky push. The second push is deliberate acknowledgment. An action your brain doesn't register is wasted energy. You have to hear the click of the flywheel completing 1 rotation. So after you put on your shoes or write that sentence, you must consciously acknowledge it. Say it out loud to yourself. Okay, I did the thing. Or put a big, satisfying check mark on a piece of paper. This simple feedback loop tells your brain, hey, that worked. The third push is to stack the evidence. 1 push doesn't create momentum, repetition does. This is where you go from I did a thing to I am the kind of person who does the thing. All you have to do is repeat that tiny, provable action for 3 days in a row. That's it. You're not looking for results, you're creating a tiny streak. With each push, the flywheel gets a little easier to move. The fourth push is to externalize the verdict. This is what makes your confidence unshakable. If your confidence depends on things you can't control, like getting praise or winning the competition or getting the job, it will always be fragile. You have to separate your effort from the outcome. Your job was to push the flywheel, to prepare for the interview and give it your best shot. Whether you get the job is their decision. You define your success by your actions, not by their reactions. This protects your flywheel from the outside world. Confidence isn't a mystery, it's a system. A tiny, provable push, a deliberate click of acknowledgement, stacking the evidence to build momentum, and protecting your effort from the verdict of others. That is how a stuck flywheel becomes an unstoppable force. So let's get yours moving. In the comments below, tell me, what is your first laughably small push? If this helped you get unstuck, a like and subscribe would be amazing. Now go out there and forge your path.